Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I really always appreciate you guys stopping by, especially to my people who stick around and watch my videos all the way through, leave comments, tips, ideas, suggestions on how I can make things better. I really appreciate you all. So this video is a little bit different. It's not a decorate with me or time lapse or setup, but I want to show y'all how I'm gonna make these wedding centerpieces that I have for a wedding that's coming up this weekend. When I was on YouTube, I couldn't find any videos that like walk you through how to do the actual centerpieces. And normally my ideas come to me in my sleep, and that's the honest to God truth. And when you do a centerpiece that has a clear bottom or that has a see-through or transparent bottom, I hate for the stems to show. Sometimes it's okay because it doesn't look too bad. But in this case, it's a wedding and I wanted to give it a clean, elegant look. So I wanted to make centerpieces that had the flower arrangement at the top, but had the clear see-through vase at the bottom. I'll show you the vases and I will show you what I'm using to make everything. The flowers that I have are coming from a combination of places: Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and I think that's those two. Just Walmart and Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna be using those. Y'all know I'm bad with linking stuff, so in this video I will try, since this is a tutorial, to link everything. And if there is something I forget or something that you have a question about, just let me know, comment, and I will send the link in the comment section as well. If I look tired, I really am. The 60th birthday party set up this past weekend, and then my mom's birthday was the next day, so we were literally all out and about the whole weekend, so I really haven't had time to sit down and do anything. And these two events have been booked for quite some time, and this is my birthday month. I'll be 31 this month, so it's just a lot going on. May is always a busy month for us, but nonetheless, let me show you what I got and what I'm using. I'm working with a little bit of space that I have to give you guys an idea of what to do. It's really easy, and I'll show you everything. So let me stop rambling and actually. So these are the centerpieces that I've already made, just to give you an idea of what I'm going to show you. And I'm more so nervous about the colors going together, but let me put this down to show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if I can put it down. Get you some good light. So this is gonna be the top of the centerpiece. And I got my table right here because I'm gonna use that to show you. So maybe I should show you that way. So this is what I do. So, okay, so these are the vases that I want to use. And as you can see, the bottom of the vase is clear. And just to give you an idea of how big these vases are, look at my hand. They stand about maybe two and some change feet high. And it's real nice. I think these are really pretty. So I didn't want the stems to show through the bottom, which these flowers come with stems. So I wanted to make a top that would just, this is what I wanted to, this is the idea that I had, okay? Y'all see where I'm going with it? Let me get back so you can really see it. Oh, there go my tripod. But anyway, this is what I wanted to do, is to make a centerpiece like this. So I'm gonna put you guys down and attempt to show you what I'm trying to accomplish, okay? And the only thing you'll probably really need for this is some wire cutters. See how easy they come up? These are, I think, 2 and a, I'm about to give wrong information. So everything needs to be linked. Y'all don't judge my working habits, because safety don't normally come first for me. All right, so this is what I have that I'm gonna use to sit down. What you need is just wire cutter. You'll need your, I'm gonna call it a floral foam cup. You need whatever centerpiece you decide to use. Depending on how big the neck of the centerpiece is right here, will depend on how big you order this part right here. I took a stab at it because I knew the diameter of this, so that's what made me decide on what to order for this. Okay, so I normally just take and push all of my greenery up to the top of the stem. Once I show you what I do, I'll time lapse this part. Okay, I do that for all of them. I think I use 4 of these. I want to cut it to where I know I get some height out of it and some width. So you're gonna have to eyeball this. What I do is cut out my big flowers first. So if I know I want that centerpiece to stand about this tall, then I'm gonna cut my stem to about that height. That should make sense. Okay? See how tall I have that? Because I want it to stand that tall, and then I'm gonna build around it. To make this easier on you, go ahead and cut all your pieces. To give you guys a good idea of what I've done is I took those centerpieces and I cut them down. All of them are about this. All of them are about this height that I've cut down, which is about 7 to 8 inches. And it's best to cut them down and categorize them by color. Because like I said, you want to start with the biggest flowers, which would be your burgundy. You got your white ones, your pink ones. Then I use those as fillers, those white ones right here. And this should make me one bouquet. So I already got my one lonely flower sticking at the top of it. So I'm gonna start filling it in. And when you're filling it in, you want to make sure the colors are distributed as evenly as possible. So, and I've only done this once before on a whim, so I'm not perfect at it and I'm not quick with it, but I did get the end result that I wanted. Okay. And these are used flowers, so if you got some flowers just laying around, you can. What I did was went from the largest. I did the pink second, but you can do either or, as long as they're the big ones first. And then like these, they don't have a shape, they just stick out. I just go in and use them as fillers. The good thing about this bushel of flowers, it came from Walmart. And normally the $5 stems like this already have some good fillers. Some good filler pieces on them. So you can just stick them in. Okay. And those filler pieces help it take shape too. Especially if you got a big one. I'm gonna have to cut this one down. Just sticking out too far. There we go. Because if not, it's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. Almost done. See how quick this was? With the exception of me running my mouth. Okay. You get the idea. See, it don't matter if you got them clustered up like that. You can rearrange them and stuff, but I'm okay with it. Yeah. And that's a 4-foot table. So imagine if this was a table you sat 4 people at. 1, 2, 3, 4. That big, beautiful centerpiece would be in the middle. I'm working with the space I got, y'all. So this is what we have. And in comparison to the one I showed you at the beginning of the video, look, same thing. Show you another thing before I let you guys go. Is if you wanted to use this just on the table, because you just have these bases right here. See? You can just sit that on the table. Maybe put you some candles on each side of them. But yeah, it'll get the job done, so. All right, so that's it for this video. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Make sure you turn on notifications for this post so you get every update. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, and thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it.